The town of Quito, Ecuador is a place of great influence that brings history alive, even though you may not have heard of it. It's South America's oldest colonial capital city, and after La Paz, Bolivia, the second highest at close to 3,000 meters above sea level. In 1978, Quito's historic center was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a title given to a place that represents a masterpiece of human genius. Take a look. Breathtaking views from the city of Quito. That brings us to the end of our broadcast this week. We'd love to hear from you, so tweet us at cctv_America or email us at an@cctv-america.com. We'll see you again next week for another edition of America's Now. See you then.